Hello everyone, and hope everybody is doing well and everybody is following my video. So today in this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 13, exponent and power. Okay, exponent and power. So first I will introduce what is exponent and what is called power. Now an exponent or power is a mathematical representation that indicates the number of time that a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, so exponent or power means what in mathematical representation that indicate the number of time means how many time it is multiplying by itself. Okay, suppose I will write 2 and exponent is 2. That means 2 is multiplying by 2 how many time? 2 time. Okay, if exponent means if the power will be 3, then 2 is multiplying 3 time with itself. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 means with itself, so with the same base number. Now if a number is multiplied by itself m time, okay, if any number is multiplied by itself m time, then it can be written as m into m into a into a into a into dot 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 how many time? M time. That means you can write a to the power m. That means that a is multiplying how many time? M time. So n can be any value. Okay, n can be 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. So m time means it can be any value, so a to the power m. So we will write what? A to the power a m. Okay, a is multiplying how many time? M time. Now number raised to the power of 2 are called square number. Now number raised of 2 means this is a and I am writing 2. That means this is also called what? Square number. Okay, this is also called square number, a square. So usually we used to say a square. Now you can see here, now 10, this 10 is called what? Number or base. Okay, this 10 is called number or base, and this 3 is called exponent or power. So understood what is exponent and power? So this 10 is called what? Base and number, base or number we will say, and this 3 is called what? Exponent or power. Understood? So this is the meaning of exponent or power. Now there is some important index, there is some important rules of some law in exponential law is there, so I am going to show that one, so which is very important for your higher classes also. So please you can make notes on this. I will show you now. Now first law of exponent. So first law of exponent is multiplication of power with the same base. Multiplication of what? Multiplication of power with the same base. So same base will be what? Same. Okay, and they are what? They are getting multiplied. When number with the same base are multiplied, number with the same base means we know, isn't it? So if 10 to the power 2 means 10 is the base, isn't it? So what is written here? When number with the same base are multiplied. Now number with the same base, now this is base are same, isn't it? Now this power can be, exponent can be any value. Okay, now exponent can be 2, 3, 4, anything, but their base should be same. Okay, if their base are same, then the power of the product is equal to the sum of the product of the number. Now equal to the sum means this power will be gets sum. Okay, that means it will be equal to the power of the sum of the power. So if you will do sum of the power, you will get 10 to the power 6, isn't it? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. That means, so the first law of exponential is if a is a non-zero integer, this a should be a non-zero. Okay, it should not be a 0, and m and n are whole number. Now this m is whole number 2, again n is also whole number 4. I am taking example this one. Okay, this is example. So now you can see this is the first law of exponent, that is what? A to the power m multiply with a to the power n is equal to, when base are same and they are multiplied, and if any exponential number their base are same and they are multiplied, that means that will be equal to sum of their power. Okay, so it is equal to a to the power m plus n. That means simply we have to add the power. Okay, to solve them simply we have to add the power if base are same. Okay, if base are not same, then we cannot apply this. Now this is the first law of exponential, so please write it down in your notebook and you have to learn this one. Okay, you have to learn this one. So a to the power m multiply with a to the power n is equal to what? A to the power m plus n. Okay, you have to remember this. Now next law of exponent, now division of power with the same base. Now division. If they are multiplied, then what we did with the power, we did plus, isn't it? So if they are now not multiply, suppose they are in divide. So if they are in divide, when numbers with the same base are divided, then the power of the quotient is equal to the difference between the power of the dividend and the divisor. Now power of the dividend and the divisor means minus you have to do. What we have to do? Now they are in divide, base are same, isn't it? Now if a is a non-zero integer and m and n are whole number, then a to the power m divided with a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, m minus n, that means m or n should be get minus. Understood? So if they are in multiply, then the product will become plus, and if they are divide, then product will become minus. Okay, you have to remember this one. So this is the second law of exponent. Okay, second law of exponent. Now third one, power of a power. Okay, power of a power. Now suppose this is 2, one power is there, again one more power is there, power of a power. Then what you will do? If a is a non-zero integer and m and n are whole number, then a to the power m power n is equal to a to the power m multiply n. Okay, now that means this will get multiplied, 2 to the power 2 multiply 4, so it will become what? 2 to the power 8. Okay, that means power of a power means that power will be multiplied, not plus not minus, that power will be what? Multiply. Okay, that power will get multiplied. So this is the third law of exponent you have to remember. Now fourth one, multiplication of power with the same exponent. Now same exponent means what? Power. Okay, exponent means power or exponent is same, isn't it? Now multiplication of power with the same, their power are same, base are different, but they are multiplying. So in that case what you will do? If a is any non-zero integer, m is a whole number, then a to the power m multiply b to the power m is equal to a into b to the power m. That means suppose 6 to the power 2 multiply with 3 to the power 2, that means what you will do? You will multiply the base. Okay, 6 3 is 18, 18 to the power 2, so it will be what? 18 to the power 2. So power will not multiply, power will not get plus, power will not get minus, so power will be same, but base will get multiply if they are in multiply. Okay, base are getting what? Multiply. Base are getting what? Multiply. Okay, now for division. Now this is what? Fifth. Okay, division of power with the same exponent. Now if a and b are a non-zero integer and m is a whole number, then a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to what? So this is mistake. Okay, this is printing mistake, so it will be a upon b to the power m. Okay, means this m should be common for both of them, isn't it? So this can be written as a upon b, means a divided by b whole power m. Okay, so m is the exponent, m is the power. Now one very important, this is what? Very important. Now here, number with an exponent of 0 for any non-zero integer a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is always applicable. Okay, for any non-zero integer, if power is 0, for any non-zero integer, if power is 0, then value will be always 1. Okay, value will be what? Value will be always 1. That is why value will be always 1. So a to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So these are the law of exponent. So for this chapter we have to know all this. Okay, so this was the introduction part of this chapter. So thank you all of you. So in the next video I will come with the next with the exercise of this chapter. So thank you all of you for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye, and see you soon in the next video.